Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the Nootropics. It is for your brain. It's a brain enhancement. And since you know that I've had a stroke, I had a brain injury, so I take these. I always ask my doctor. I let her look over things like that. But I pretty much know vitamins probably better than her, and herbs better than her because I've been studying them since I was a little kid. My grandmother and my mother both were herbalists, so that's the pill. So I know a lot about herbs and vitamins. And I took, I haven't taken these yet because I'm finishing up a bottle, but I'm going to try these and see how these work. Okay, and I'll always give you a little blow-by-blow description later. But I'm looking at them. I smell them. I smell my herbs and my vitamins. No smell. And so I looked at what the ingredients is and everything, and I'm going to try them. I think that they're going to be very, very good because I need something to enhance my brain. Anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will leave everything in the comment section for you. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.